Chris Sparks here, your McLean Mortgage representative to help you buy, build, or refinance. I'm here to give you some market updates on what's going on in the economy right now. Just want to make sure you know where we're at and kind of how we got there. So the emergency cuts that the Fed did in early March were intended to stabilize the market, but that really didn't necessarily take them far enough. So on March 23rd, the Fed announced that they were going to inject more funds into the bond market, which is really what we're thinking is going to affect and help bring down the mortgage rates in the very near future. They're sliding down slowly, but we're going to get there very shortly as far as low rates. So keep your eyes out on that. If you're looking to buy, build, or refinance, these are some things that are very important as we look at the rates and as we're going forward. There are several challenges that we are facing in our economy right now when it comes to mortgages and also to real estate. And some of those are the in-person communications that have to happen, like showing a home or taking a tour or taking an appraisal or a home inspection or settlement itself. Many of the counties now are e-recording, which is very helpful. And being able to do that is certainly going to help you with the transaction. But these are all things that we're trying to find ways to get around. Regulators are working on it right now to try to minimize the impact of the appraisals, and also the ability of us to get the loan done in the process. What that means is we may need to get some help from you to be able to get your employment verification done, especially if you're in a situation where you're working from home and it's hard to get a hold of the HR department. So these are some things that we're going to need some help with going forward. One of the big things I do want to make sure and point out is that there is going to be an increase of spam calls coming out very shortly, and if you haven't received them already, about this home mortgage crisis thing. And what they're going to try to do is they're going to try to steal a lot of information, equity, and money from you. So I'm going to encourage you to, instead of responding directly to those, call your servicer. That means the person you're making or the bank that you're making those payments to make sure that they have your information, that you're contacting them directly instead of trying to go through a link where you could lose all your identity and other things like that. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. I'm happy to help you out through the process. And by all means, if you're looking to buy, build, or refinance, I'm here to help you with that too. Thank you so much for your time.